Alam mo yung naririnig mo minsan, mag-iingat ka dyan, kaunti lang ang kaibigan yan. Pero, what if I told you, hindi dahil walang gustong makipagkaibigan sa kanila, kundi dahil sila mismo ang pumipili kung sino lang ang dapat pumasok sa buhay nila. May mga taong tahimik lang, pero hindi ibig sabihin mahina sila. Hindi ibig sabihin lonely sila. At lalong hindi ibig sabihin walang nagmamahal sa kanila. Madalas sila pa yung mas wise, yung mas mautak, yung mas matalino. Yung tipong tinitimbang muna kung sino ka. Kung ano ang values mo, kung ano ang intention mo, bago ka nila i-welcome sa mundo nila. Kasi once na pumasok ka sa circle nila, hindi ka lang basta friend. You become someone they protect, someone they honor, someone they value. At yun yung dahilan kung bakit selective sila. Not because they're cold, but because their peace is priceless, their energy is limited, and their trust hard-earned yan. At eto pa, these types of people don't need a big audience or crowd to survive. Hindi nila kailangan ng barkada na 10, 20 o buong barangay. They're strong enough to have 2 to 3 real friends na lalaban sa buhay kasama nila. Sila yung totoong malakas. Kaya yung taong kaunti lang ang kaibigan, they understand something most people don't. That not everyone deserves access to your heart. This is not a sign of weakness. This is not a sign na mahirap silang pakisamahan. This is a sign of strength, a sign of intelligence, a sign of power. The world praises having a big crowd, pero sila, they are wise enough to choose quality over quantity, loyalty over popularity, peace over chaos. So, the next time na makakita ka ng taong konti lang ang kaibigan, don't underestimate them. Most of the time, sila pa yung may pinaka-solid na character, pinaka-loyal na puso at pinaka-matibay na boundaries.